I'm going to give you a few tips on how to approach the assignment for this week. Math 8 to 12 and Math 4 to 8 would do this assignment. 8th grade Geometry, Chapter 111, Probability and Statistics. Use variability, range including in-quartile range, and select the appropriate measure of central tendency to describe a set of data and justify the choice for a particular situation. My expectation is at this grade level, the students have already learned median, mean, and mode, and what range is. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to probably review this with the student, but you're going to also describe when it's most appropriate to use the median, when it's most appropriate to use the mean, when it's most appropriate to use the mode. You're going to give some examples. You're going to model for the students and show them scenario for each of those. That would probably be in the content presentation. When it comes to the student practice, it's quite different. In that case, what I would expect is that you might have several different scenarios available to the students. Maybe ones you've created, maybe you found somewhere else. You might do a search to research to find out when median is most appropriate, when mean is most appropriate, when mode is most appropriate. Create some scenarios for the students. Let them choose at random a particular scenario and let them figure out for themselves which one it should be and tell why for that particular situation they would choose that appropriate measure of central tendency, and they're going to have to justify their choice, write something down. Doesn't sound so hard, but it might be, depending on how you approach it. But that's how I would approach this assignment if I were giving it. And then, of course, you would use the standard kinds of assessment that you would use, the formative assessment, and then the summative assessment with the rubric. And if you have any questions, please give me a call.